beloved members of our new parish council. In a few moments, you will be asked to participate in the affirmation of office, thus officially making you a parish council member for the year 2013. It is a singular honor for you to be in this trusted position before your family and community, and I would like to wholeheartedly congratulate you. But I would also like to remind you that to serve on the parish council is a ministry to your church and parish, and that you must continue and live your life in accordance with the faith and tenets of the Holy Orthodox Church. Those who serve are called to represent Christ to all whom they meet in all aspects of life. Indeed, you do not have to hold many degrees to be a good Orthodox Christian or parish council member, but you must be active in worship and sacramental life of the church. As you recite the affirmation of office, you will be making a promise before God to serve the church, which is his body on earth. This promise rests on the shared commitment of your fellow council members as well. Collectively, you are called to use the gifts and talents that you have been blessed with to assist your parish priest, so that together you may carry out the work of the church for the benefit of her mission, for ministry, and for the spiritual growth of your brethren and fellow parishioners. May God bless you and enlighten you to do his will as you faithfully execute your obligations as a parish council member and as an Orthodox Christian. Praying that through the diaconia, your service to the church will be fruitful and most productive, and remain with eternal love and blessings, Evangelist, Metropolitan of New Jersey. I do solemnly affirm that I will uphold the dogmas, teachings, traditions, holy canons, worship, and moral principles of the Greek Orthodox Church, as well as the constitutional charter, discipline, and regulations of the Greek Orthodox Archdiocese of Paris. And that I will faithfully fulfill and sincerely the duties and obligations required of a member of the parish council. So help me God. Congratulations all. Oxy.
Oxy.